Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So we had a continuation red bar, so we had a fairly decent engulfing bar on Friday last week, and then we had a continuation to the downside. We have come into an area of potential support, but I think the support's going to be a little bit lower down at 1600. So oscillators have crossed over, starting to point to the downside, and we're quite far from the moving averages. So I would assume that is what we need to be paying attention to. We're back in this range, and we were here for pretty much a week and a half, so we're all the way back in here. And as I said yesterday, the only thing that was going to get me long was a clear break of 16196. That hasn't happened, and we've just ended up with range bar, and we're drifting lower. Oscillators drifting lower as well. So when we start looking at the hour, which is what we want to be trading, you can see yesterday was just a crossover started, tried to find some support, tested the break of the moving averages, came back to the 155. Almost textbook stuff here on my moving average trading strategy. And inside bar at the moment. Look to the left, there's quite a bit of interaction here where we are at the moment. This is a clear sit on hands pattern for me. Keep the money in the pocket and not really try and get involved in this just yet. So just getting me back to the day. If you look at the daily, there is a bit of a gap here, so I would assume a retest of 1600. Then we can have a look to see what's going on. These oscillators are a bit concerning for me, and there is one of the oscillators has got diversions as well, which basically looks like a bit of a channel flag. And then if we get a break of that, you're still looking, the measured move still all the way down here at 16, well, not all the way, it's just fairly close at around 1600. So that's kind of the view that I've got here at the moment. I don't see anything actually worth trading right now on the DAX. We're back into this zone, and look at how price just hung around here, and I suspect that's exactly what's going to continue. We're going to hang around here until we get some indicator or some noise or something that's going to push the market in a direction, one way or another. Probability is to the upside. I don't see, if we sat here for a week and a half and we're back in this area, I can't see us dropping below it for no rhyme or reason. So I think clear sit in hand strategy for me today on the DAX, and it's been the narrative this year. The DAX has been very difficult to get going. So I think that's my strategy for today. I'm not really going to read more into that. Hope it helps somebody, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.